Now we are going to discuss about quality of service, also known as QoS. Quality of service is a way to assign different priorities to either users, applications, or data flow. The reason is very simple. When you have a network or a VLAN, you have a group of devices, computers connected to a network switch, all right? And within, let's say this is VLAN 100, for example. A VLAN is basically what we call a broadcast domain. It means that all users connected to that VLAN or to that broadcast domain will be receiving all the information that is broadcasted on this VLAN. So let's say this is VLAN 100. And this computer is doing a massive file transfer. Well, this will create a lot of background noise on the network, and all the ports where this computer is connected will receive this file transfer or will receive the broadcast traffic sent by a computer. So this could potentially affect the quality of video traffic. So let's take a very simple example. We have a camera here streaming that must be recorded on a server. The server is here. In between, you have a switch. You have a router, another router, a switch, and a camera. So this is the server. And this is a computer with a user doing file transfer to a FTP server. So this is computer. All right. So let's say the link between the router here has a limited bandwidth, okay? Without QoS, without quality of service, what will happen here is that link that is limited will be completely taken by the FTP file transfer, and only a small portion will remain for the video. Okay? So as you can see here, this will create video degradation, and the server might not receive the entire video stream. It might lose some packets, some frames will be missing, you will have pixelation in the video, or bitrate will be much smaller, frame rate will be smaller also. So this is a situation that we do not want. We want to preserve the video quality. So in that case, the solution here is to implement quality of service. Quality of service must be implemented on each part that is along the way. So the camera here must be set up for quality of service, the switch here, the router here, and everywhere along the way, this must be configured. So the switches or the network equipment, basically it is instructed to put packets with quality of service in a different queue. So they will be treated with higher priority. So with this in place, what will happen is that the bandwidth that you allocate to your video traffic will always remain the same. So this is your video bandwidth, and it has higher priority over the other type of traffic. So it will always remain the same. So when this computer starts its video transfer to the FTP, well, it will use the remaining portion of the bandwidth, but the video quality will not be affected. So with this in place, you are making sure that the video quality is never compromised, even if there's other type of activity on the network or on the VLAN where the cameras are. So that's the main benefit of using quality of service.